Welcome to the enchanting world of Disney Magic Kingdom. Get ready for 30 seconds of pure joy and excitement. Dive into the magical adventure as you step onto Main Street, where dreams come to life. The iconic Cinderella Castle stands tall. Blast off to Tomorrowland and embark on an intergalactic journey with Space Mountain. Feel the rush as you soar through the galaxy, an experience that's out of this world. Take a spin in Fantasyland and let your inner child come alive. From the classic teacups to the whimsical carousel, every moment is a fairy tale in the making. Ahoy, mateys! Adventure awaits in Adventureland. Join Captain Jack Sparrow on Pirates of the Caribbean, where swashbuckling meets Disney magic. Immerse yourself in the wonders of nature in Frontierland. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is calling thrill seekers for an exhilarating ride through the wild, wild west. Tron light cycles zoom through neon grids, riders ecstatic, futuristic helmets, faces filled with joy, dazzling tunnel, awe-inspiring lights, families cheer, hands raised. Tron logo, fireworks burst. Riders disembark, smiles say it all. Text, experience the thrill. Tron, only at Disney World. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and join us in the happiest place on Earth. Your magical adventure begins now at Disney World's Magic Kingdom.